Welcome to Texas Honda Channel. Hope everyone's having a blessed day. If you're new here, please click that subscribe button, hit that like button, and turn the bell icon on to get notified of every upload. So what we're going to be doing today is replacing this factory strut brace right here. We're going to be taking that one off, replacing it with this Megan Racing strut brace that I got from Eric, which is Eric from AGN Tuning's son. His name is Eric. Huge shout out to him for hooking me up with this. We did some parts trading and I got this, and it does need cleaned up and polished, which we'll be using this buffer with a yellow pad and Meguiar's Ultimate Compound. I did a quick little test and it definitely polished it up pretty good, and that wasn't me taking very much time. So I'm going to go ahead and take these brackets here off. We're going to paint these gloss white with the pearl gold over it like I did on the valve cover and other various accents throughout the engine bay. It actually has a pearl gold clear over the top of the white. So that's what we're going to be doing with this, and I'm going to go ahead and get these taken off so we can do that. Then we'll polish this up and we'll get it installed on the car. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. All right, now that the sides are painted white and they're drying, we're gonna go ahead and do this now. Again, I have a yellow foam pad on the buffer. I just got both of these at Harbor Freight with the Meguiar's Ultimate Compound. So we're just gonna go ahead and do the bottom side first to see how it all turns out. Then we're gonna hit it with the buffer. Oh yeah, definitely shining up good. Alright, so here's what it looks like so far. It's pretty reflective and it looks really good. So we're just going to keep going. right, here it is. It is polished up really nice, and it does have its imperfections, which I'm okay with. It still looks a lot better than it did before and is definitely pretty reflective. So next thing to do is to get this strut brace off, which is really simple. We've got 2 nuts here, 2 bolts there, 2 bolts there, 2 nuts there, and that comes right out. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that off, and then we will get this strut brace reassembled and get it installed. Hope you guys are enjoying the video. All right, here it is under the hood, all installed and tightened down. And I think it really makes the under the hood look good. Now the factory strut brace on these are pretty good because they tie into the firewall and it reduces the amount of chassis flex that you get. These ones here are also really good. A lot of people will argue this. I'm not gonna argue with you. If you guys think you're right, then I'll just say you're right. But these do not have an ill effect. I've never installed any strut brace, including the $19 ones that I got back on eBay many years ago. They have never given me a problem and always stiffen it up a little bit. I probably won't notice anything different with this strut brace over the factory, but I do like how it looks under the hood. So this right here would be, for me, a Ricer mod. But if it does have a positive feel, I will definitely let you guys know. But overall, I really like how it looks and it's tying the bay in a lot better. Also, if you guys are wondering still where the Acura emblems are, I'm still waiting on Joe. He's very busy with his job. They've really screwed him over big time. So just keep Joe in your prayers, guys. All you prayer warriors out there, if you guys could just keep Joe in your prayers, that would be awesome, because he is really going through some tough stuff with his job. It's just a lot of garbage that they're putting him through, and I just pray that he gets better. But yeah, he's working on getting me the emblem things done so then I can show you guys that here on the channel. It's going to be awesome whenever he does get them done. I'll try to keep you guys updated here and over on Instagram. But yeah, looking really good. I think it was one of the pieces that I definitely needed to tie the bay in just a little bit more. And I'm just really happy with how it looks right now. But yeah, that's basically it for this video. I didn't want to make a huge video out of this, but I figured it's something for you guys to watch in the meantime while I'm still working on funds and stuff like that. And I greatly appreciate each and every one of you who have bought merch from me. It's helped tremendously. I have to actually make some more merch now, so thank you guys. If you guys are interested in that, definitely message me on Instagram or look at the information in the description as a way to get a hold of me. So that's basically it. I'm gonna go ahead and get off here. I got a little mess to clean up, so I gotta go ahead and do that. But yeah, yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one if God is willing. But as I like to say, God bless, stay safe, stay awesome.